Are you getting the Commonui Library DLL error after the Localized UI orchestration manifest update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. To start our troubleshooting for Commonui Library, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the Commonui Library, a common name for localized user interface shared modules. It provides localized window templates, button styles, and UI animations shared across different modules of a single application suite, frequently seen in game launchers and antivirus tools. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Because Commonui Library DLL is a proprietary component linked to the Localized UI orchestration manifest system, a standard Windows repair will not find it, so you must reinstall the program where the error occurred to replace the file. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Commonui library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for Commonui Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If you're addressing Commonui library inconsistencies, the official utility below provides maintenance-related documentation. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Commonui library remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.